Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Like I promised the other day, today I'm going to be taking us on a tutorial on how to install Python for Windows. I'll also leave an instruction on how to do so for macOS. So first of all, before you do that, before you install Python, you want to check if there's already Python installed in your system by going to Cmd, which is command prompt, then you open it. So you're going to type Python space, then dash dash version, then enter. So Python was not found, run without argument, so on and so forth. So you see this statement, it simply tells you that there's no Python installed in your system. So the next thing you are going to do is you go to your Chrome browser, then you type in python.org, enter. So you scroll down and you see download latest Python 3.13.7, then you click it, then you scroll down. Now we are going to see different packages of Python. So for Windows users, we are going to go for Windows installer 64 bits recommended. Look at it here. If you are using Mac OS, you go for Mac OS 64 bits universal 2 installer. So I'll click on Windows installer 64 bits, and yeah, downloading. So we wait for it to finish downloading, and it's done. So we open it. So we are going to click, although use admin privileges when installing Python, it is not necessary, but just click it. But the one that you wouldn't want to avoid is add python.exe to path. You have to click it. If you don't click it, your system is not going to recognize that you have Python, so you have to click it. So just click two of them, then okay guys, here we go. Setup was successful, so that's it. Then you close it. So we are going to confirm if Python is indeed actually installed in our system by going back to command prompt and imputing the command that we did earlier, that we imputed earlier. So python dash dash version, enter. So Python 3.13.7. so yeah, Python is installed in our system. So thank you guys for watching this video. If the video was actually helpful to you, please like and subscribe so that you'll see more of these videos. Alright guys, peace out.